Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your cache on Safari on iPhone. And this is quite simple. Right now we are here on Safari and we want to delete our cache. So what we're gonna do now is we go to settings. So throw this one away, go to settings and then scroll down here to apps. Then we need to search for Safari, click on Safari and then we need to scroll down. Alright, here's the setting that we need, and right here we can click on clear history and website data. If we click on that, we can decide if you want to close all tabs or want to delete our history. Now let's say we want to do this, clear history, and right now we just clear our cache on Safari. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.